Okay, here's an update. Called or messaged my HR guy, and he is unavailable. So Friday meeting with the HR guy is not going to work. I guess he's a real busy guy. Either that or maybe he doesn't want to help me. I'm not sure. The communication between us hasn't been good, and it's because probably he's just too busy to deal with me. He was offering his service for free, and I was taking him up on his offer, but it's not working out too well right now. So I guess I'm going to have to do it myself with that and with a lot of other things. Starting out as a solo entrepreneur is kind of tough. I mean, I've got all the basics down. It's just doing all the little stuff in between. So I started to think about how I'm going to go about this process. I really don't want to go to Craigslist. I mean, I guess I'll try it maybe. I'm not sure, but I think I'd rather put my money into Facebook marketing, which I know a little bit more about. I've done some studying on Facebook marketing. There you can target your avatar a little bit better, so I can break it down to like maybe if I'm attracting kids from college, I could go to their college page, which Facebook, I don't know, a lot of the college kids aren't on Facebook, but they are on Instagram, so I can do some advertising on Instagram. I've already went to my website and I've built a page that has an employment, onboarding type thing where, hey, come on and join us, and click the button below to apply. And I'm talking to a Fiverr person to make me an online form to build. That way they can just fill out the application online, and then I'll get it. And I also went to Facebook. I have my Facebook page, and I have a job application. I had one guy said he wanted to, but he never responded. So I don't know if Facebook was doing that or what, but it's still early. I'm not going to hire right now. It's early January. I've got a couple months, and in the meantime, I'm still diligently working on my program as far as my training program, because I think that'll help when I get guys on. When I train them online, I don't have to go through every detail while I'm out in the field, because it's a waste of time. So if I can have them go through this training program and maybe have them take a test where if they hit 85%, they're ready for the field. That way, when I go to the job, they already kind of know what's going to happen. And then I can work with little details here and there. But the majority of that is just knowing what's going on and how to do certain things. So, but that's where I'm at right now. HR guy didn't work for now. I'm not going to try to contact him again. If he wants to contact me, then it's great, but I'm just going to move on. So that's where I'm at. Talk to you guys later. We'll keep you updated from here and there. See ya.